You know, it's almost like your birthday with a package from China, so let's go. But okay guys, so this video is also very interesting to see that we're going to have like a Freezer form number 3. Do I say it correctly? I think I don't have a brain for it. I think it was one of those uglies like form Freeza had. And again, oh man, I wish I'd like to put something of Freeza on the box. That would be so cool. You can display them like this. I think it's way cooler to get them out of the box and just display him like a figure. You can put them between like bigger ones or just display all of them. So when you're looking at this one, I must say, like, I do already see some paint flaws over here in the middle. I also find this like a weird like looking, let's say, version of it, because I'm getting this like alien vs Predator, I wanted to say, but alien moment here with this long head. Yeah, I find it like really ugly. But it's really cool to have like a statue in a collection, because this is something you don't see very often nowadays. But let's do a quick overview of it. Yeah, like it says on the base, Freeza 3 Forma is of course Italian, because this is an Italian company. And I think it was marketing in Italy back in the day, because otherwise you would put like English text on the base. So let's zoom in like crazy, and some details will never be seen when you're just going to display this item. But here you can see like on this chest, what I mean with the paint flaws. You can see like there is not a very nice paint job. But when you're looking at some other parts, there we don't have this issue. So for example, when you're looking at this head, like they did an amazing paint job over here. This looks very nice. Got this very nice metallic purple color. Personally, I really love the color choice of it. So let's take a close look at this back over here. We do have like the spikes, the tail. It's all made of resin, so I need to be very careful with this. You can see like between his neck and the head, there's some room. So I'm guessing they glued it on, painted it, and glued the figure basically together. I think this is one big part, because here we can see like they went overboard with the freaking like color and the paint over here. But in overall quality, it's absolutely not bad. I don't know what to think about his face and his mouth. Especially his mouth looks kind of weird in my opinion. But yeah, I think the character itself is already very weird. But okay guys, so this is the form number 3 from Freeza. I think there is not a lot of figures out there or statues that have this. So it's pretty cool to add this one to my collection. Let me know in the comments what you think of this form, and it will be great to see you. So in the next video, consider subscribing, hit the little bell, and we're going to have like a lot of fun, because we have so much more stuff to show you. So let's go with the show.